You recorded the lesson. Great. Now, how does it actually get in front of a student without buffering, stalling, or looking amateur on their phone? Open a video lesson in the course editor and click Upload Video. Choose an MP4 file from your computer and watch the progress climb. Coding 45%, uploading 90%, right in the lesson row. The moment it lands, the status flips to uploaded, queued for processing. Vyroq takes it from there. Behind the scenes, your file transcodes automatically into adaptive streaming. So a student on slow hotel Wi-Fi gets a smooth, lower res stream, and a student on fiber gets full quality instantly with zero manual encoding on your end. Watch the badge move, processing, then ready. And if something ever fails, one click on retry processing, queues it again, no re-upload needed. Need to swap the footage later? A better take? An updated demo? Click replace video, and the same pipeline runs again, automatically. That's professional video delivery, running quietly behind one upload button. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.